Looking for a smarter, greener way to package your juices and beverages? Ying Zhi Cai Packaging's Juice Spout Pouches are the perfect solution. Made from food-grade multi-layer laminated materials, these pouches keep drinks fresh with superior oxygen and UV protection. No leaks, no mess, just easy pouring and resealing. FDA approved and BRC, SGS, and EU certified. They're safe for kids, great for juices and beverages, and ideal for eco-conscious brands. Plus, with custom high-definition color printing, pouch shape types and sizes, to meet the personalized needs of the brand, your product will stand out on shelves. Precision manufacturing, automated production line, reduce manual contact with packaging, reduce product pollution, improve production efficiency and reduce production costs. Go sustainable without sacrificing convenience. Choose Ying Zhi Cai Packaging's Juice Spout Pouches today. Ying Zhi Cai Packaging, be your trusted and long-term partner.